den første uge, hvor vi ikke havde P20, der glemte jeg faktisk at smøre børnene anden gang. Og der fik de sådan lidt solforbrænding på. Og det kunne vi måske undgået, hvis vi havde haft P20 med fra ved starten af.
Til børnene har det været rigtig, rigtig dejligt. Jeg er glad for at se, at der er kommet sådan en faktor 50. Fordi at det er et meget... Jeg har skulle smøre dem ind hver dag, og det er et endnu større meget, at du skulle gøre det 2 gange om dagen. Og det skal man jo med alt andet, altså efter frokost.
How do you like putting the sun cream on, James?
The spray one.
The spray one. Good.
Yeah, it's easy to put on the spray on the children. So
Would it say it like...
it's a bit
Cold.
tickly, isn't it, in the morning?
No, it's cold.
It's cold.
That's nice.
It tickles on me.
And it tickles on you.
It's been great. It's really good. And actually, for them, when they don't like sun cream, that's what I said to them. Think about it. You've only had to put it on once, and that's it. And that's been really, really good motivation for them, actually. 'Cause it's great. Put it on once. Because normally we have to worry about putting cream on 2-3 times a day. It's such a relief not to do that. They haven't burned. It's been brilliant.
Jeg var virkelig skeptisk overfor det. Jeg tænkte, jeg kommer nok til alligevel at rende rundt og spraye på dem, men det har ikke gjort.